Improve your diet, don't be weak. Our diet keeps us healthy and wrong choices can make us sick. Generally, in the 30s, i.e. by the age of 30, obesity starts increasing in both men and women, and health-conscious people worry about looking slim and smart. Adopting a chaotic and unruly diet does not produce any better results except for hypocrisy and boredom. The skin starts to fade and there is no happiness on the face. Take less food, reduce the amount of food, but in any way you choose the diet, there should be no dandruff on the face. In this regard, nutritious food is needed. Below are some tips that may be a better choice, such as increasing the amount of foods containing antioxidants. These ingredients protect against diabetes and cancer in addition to heart disease, including strengthening muscles by reducing intestinal inflammation. They protect against sun damage, so vegetables and fruits should be made part of the diet in large quantities to get these benefits. The use of citrus fruits in green leafy vegetables and fruits makes the skin look flexible, attractive and helps to tighten the sloping skin in a normal way. If you want to balance the diet by taking additional supplements containing antioxidants, do so with the advice of a doctor. Omega. Balance along with the selection of 3 and 6 fatty acids. Eat fresh fish that is available locally 3 times a week. Cook foods in vegetable and olive oil. Do not cook foods in butter or margarine. Minimize the consumption of coffee as it makes excess insulin in the body. Be sure to space between small snacks and full meals. Whenever you use meat, be sure to separate the fat because the fat will melt with heat, but this harmful component can refreeze inside the body and cause fatal diseases. Small amounts of hummus and oat biscuits or cake for a short snack help balance insulin levels in the body. Exercise is the only solution to many problems. Brisk walking is the most appropriate exercise at all ages. It will be useful to walk up to 2 or 3 floors in a multi-story building. If you want to go to the 8th or 9th floor, then half the way can be crossed by elevator. If you want to develop the habit of climbing stairs, it will be useful to increase the speed of walking slowly and step by step. Brisk walking is the most appropriate exercise at all ages. It will be useful to walk up to 2 or 3 floors in a multi-story building. If you want to go to the 8th or 9th floor, then half the way can be crossed by elevator. If you want to develop the habit of climbing stairs, it will be useful to increase the speed of walking slowly and step by step. Combine immunity. As we get older, our immunity begins to weaken. Sometimes, fatigue and anxiety increase after stress or excessive work. In this era, only the best nutritious food and rest can balance immunity. Similarly, good sleep can come only when you have provided a moderate diet to your mind and body. Stress is minimal, and for this you need vitamin S, B, C, zinc and mixed carbohydrates so that you do not have to be stressed. According to experts, fruits and vegetables contain vitamins, fiber and plants, which improve the duration of blood in our body. The complaint of blood pressure also decreases and the amount of sugar in the blood is also reasonable. By following these few tips, the diet can be improved in a natural way. It does not cause weakness and the nature is also happy.